Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got some post. So this gorgeous purple envelope jiffy package can only mean one thing. A purple post day means that I have bought something from Diamond Art Studio UK. So these are some of the new accessories that they have available. They love purple as much as I do and have been trying slowly but surely to replace all of the standard bits and bobs that we use with purple varieties. So for today I have got purple wax in little pots. I'll open this one in a second. And this is a drill tray, also in purple. So let's have a quick look at the wax. So, oh, that's interesting. So, is it covered? Let me just see. No, so there's no covering on that one. That might just be a random thing. No covers on any of them. So they are just, the little pots are filled. I've just dug my nail in that one, which is why it's got a dink in it. So rather than having the loose little circles of wax, they are in fact filled with the purple wax. Yeah, I will use this and report back. I'll do a what's in my pen and we can see how well this wax holds up, whether it is the same as the pink, better than the pink, the same as the blue. Yeah, there are so many options available to us now as diamond painters when it comes to accessories and particularly things to put in your pen. But I love purple, and if I can find a purple wax that works as well, if not better than the pink wax, I'm going to use it. So, next thing, I couldn't resist this. So it's got, oh, let's try and get the light on it. There we go. So we've got a little diamond design on it. It's a little it's sort of palm sized, I suppose. But inside we've got a double diamond tray. So let's have a little look, see how it holds up to use. I've opened that upside down. Might take a bit of getting used to something as tiny as this one, but certainly that seems to do the job no problem. Let's see if the other side is equally good. I would think it's probably a little bit easier because the sides on this side are slightly higher. Yeah, no problems at all. All sitting nice and flat. So I think this will probably not be my everyday tray because I do still really favour, oops, goodness. I still do really favour the large tray, and obviously there is quite a big difference in size. If somebody wants to make me one of these in purple, I would love them forever. So this is probably going to be used for occasional, maybe special diamonds, something a little bit extra. I am hoping that the point of the heart shape should help in terms of pouring that in. I'm going to do it over there though, just in case. So yeah, that's got one rogue one, but that's not too bad. So I think that's super cute. Will they fit in there? Oh, you can get two in there. That's worth noting in terms of a little travel kit for diamond painting. That's not a bad idea. You know, you could have an empty pot an empty wax pot for your trash drills, a wax pot for your wax, and then you've got 2 little trays for diamond painting on the go. So, move this to one side. And this is the, what everybody loves about the packaging from Diamond Art Studio. It's gorgeous ribbons. So let's just open this up. And then let's get in here. And in here we have a lovely wax placer. Again in purple, because I'm nothing if not predictable. So, but I have not seen anywhere else that sells a purple one. A lot of people have got the pink ones. So yeah, the pink ones seem to be readily available. They seem to be perhaps the most common colour. And I know you can get replacement wax ends, and they come in a variety of colours. But again, I've not seen purple tips. So this was a really cool addition to my diamond painting accessories. I know I've talked before about this style of pen, which was a bit tricky to get out the first time. So yeah, so this is the removable wax tip, which I've thrown around. There we go. So we've got our removable wax tip, which has got a screw thread and goes onto there. The pen, of course, filled with lovely, lovely sparkles. Who doesn't love a bit of sparkle? And then on this end, we've got the super skinny placer, which you can use to place drills, but is more commonly used to reposition drills that are slightly out of alignment. So yeah, absolutely perfect. Love the colour. So that is my little haul from Diamond Art Studio that I wanted to share with you for today. That's gonna go with all of my other lovely purple Diamond Art Studio accessories. Yeah, super happy with these. I'm looking forward to trying out the wax and of course using the new pen. So I will pop all of the prices for these bits and bobs up on the screen now so that you can see. There will be a link to the accessories page of the Diamond Art Studio website in the description, and I hope that you will take the time to check them out. They are a lovely small business, UK based. If you want to buy diamond paintings from them, it's worth noting that all of their stock is either copyright free images or licensed images to them, and all of their stock is in the UK, so there's no waiting for things to ship from overseas. I love them. So thank you so much for joining me today while I unboxed this. If you enjoyed the video, please do consider leaving a like. It really helps the channel, and it would be great if you could subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.